This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Isabel Chavela Gonzalez. Brickell Flatiron Luxury Tower is located at the heart of the Brickell district. Impeccably maintained, spacious unit with open concept floor plan. Featuring a one-bedroom suite with 2 closets, private marble bathroom, with direct access to oversized balcony that connects to the living area. Additional den to be used either as an office, TV room or additional bedroom. A second full bath conveniently located just across the den. Italian craftsmanship doors and cabinets throughout. Open kitchen concept with all MIELE appliances. Dining living area leads to enormous balcony. White glove building, 24/7 security, concierge attended lobby. Top amenities include theater, wine room, several lounge areas, world-class gym, multiple pools. 1 valet service parking is included. Walk everywhere. For more information, review the details below.